Hi Pisces, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop, and this is your reading for June. This is a reading for the collective, so as I always say, if this doesn't resonate, then please look at your rising and or your moon sign, because you may find there's a message for you there. I basically read the cards, so if the cards have a message for you here, if this doesn't resonate, they may come through one of the other signs for you, so one of the signs that are relevant to you. So I'll take one oracle card and a couple of tarot cards to get a general message for the month for you. So let's pop that to one side and let's have a look at the oracle cards for Pisces for June. What message do you have? There we go, straight away. Create. There were two. Embrace stillness. Right, so I'm going to show you those two up close. This is a music card, you see, so you're creating your own music, or you're creating something that brings you that kind of joy or that kind of peace, and you're embracing the stillness. So there's something you can do that allows you to embrace that kind of silence. You know, that lovely, like yoga energy, and the cards are like, it's like lots of light on them. I'll leave them there. Right. Let's get the tarot. This is Pisces for the month of June, please. Hopefully last month shifted for you. I remember feeling that, oh, thank goodness, things have moved. The times they are a-changing. Pisces, June. If you would like to give Pisces a reading for June, please, Spirit. Cards, guardian angels. Let's. Okay. Right. 1, 2, 3, 6. To pop the cards up there. Right. This feels like it's quite a practical month. We've got a lot of thoughts, so we're still living in our head a little bit, Pisces. Then you've got a financial situation in the middle, sorry. So you begin, you see this card. This is the card of self-imposed trappedness. Is that a word? Self-imposed. You see this woman, she's tied herself up in knots. She thinks she can't escape, so she thinks I'm stuck here. So this is the card of I'm stuck. I think I'm stuck. Oh, but look. Actually, I'm going to make a decision to see things for the way they are. So you think you're stuck in a situation, and actually you make a decision, or you have clear thinking about how you can extricate yourself. Is that extrapolate yourself? Get out of it. So you think you're trapped. You believe this situation here. And then you take action. How to get it? Usually this is by saying something. Because you see, she may not be able to see properly, but she can still use her mouth. So she can still speak up for herself. So that's what that is. So there's a situation at the beginning of the month. That's that. Then we have finances in the middle of the month. So I don't quite know what that is, but well, let's see if that's... We'll see where these come in a moment, because that doesn't feel like that's right for that. This feels like create is here. Right, okay. Now, this card here, you need to embrace the stillness in this trapped mindset to make a decision. So I would suggest some meditation. Realize that this is going on in your head. It's not reality. You are able to speak up for yourself and you'll be able to move forward. We all have choices. Don't believe you are not able to have a choice, because you are. We are in charge of our own destiny, not others. So that's that. And then you need to create. So this is The apprenticeship card, we call this the apprenticeship card. You're able to earn money. This is money, it's pentacles. Earn money by putting yourself out in the world for others to see. And it's a new skill. It's something that you're not very, so it's creation. And then you have the create card. So it's something that you can do that will enable you to put a little bit of money aside. This is the like savings card. So it feels as if there's an opportunity at the beginning of the month where you're going to look at how you can create some income for a rainy day. Doing something that you create. And that's good because it takes you out of your head. And that's a good place to be. And then what happens is you take a break for a while. So you kind of like, oh, I think I've done this now. I think I can do it this. I'm going to take a break. So maybe you'll go away for a weekend, or there's some kind of, you take a step outside of it. But my goodness me, when you come back, you've picked up you've been given the devil card here, which is the card of consumed. Can't even begin to think. It's about absolutely being determined to turn your desires and wants into a reality. Don't get hung up on the devil card. If you're looking at it and going, oh no. The devil card is about the devil's in the detail. So you have to make sure that you cross all your T's and dot your I's, and you have to do that. So you check over everything to make sure the devil's in the detail. Check the detail. Don't get too distracted. Don't get procrastinated. Don't tie yourself up. You see, these people are enslaved by something. So you're either enslaved through your desires and your wants and not able to see how to move forward. So it's becoming quite consumed and obsessed with it. So you take a break and then you become quite obsessed. So manage the obsessions. Stay focused on what it is that you want to do. Don't allow the devil to procrastinate with you, because that's what they like to do. I don't know if you've seen a movie. There was a movie about I don't know why I said that, because I won't even remember the name. It was something that my daughter watched about. They got stuck in a casino, and time just seemed to stand still. And that's pretty much what this is. It's like time stands still if you allow it, because you become obsessive about it. You get stuck in it. So stay forward. Remember where you were here. Take some time out as you do. And don't get too distracted. Don't get too led astray, because, this could turn into something quite big next month. So it feels as if it's starting now. And then you just got to manage your easily distractedness. I'm struggling vocabulary-wise today. To stay on task. So that's it. So thank you very much for your time, and I hope that you've enjoyed that. And as I said, if it doesn't resonate, then check out your moon or your rising sign. You might find there's a message there for you. Okay, thank you very much for your time.